Hello everybody! As we said in previous video, what?
Why did you start?
I'm sorry, I didn't wake you. I'm so sorry. Oh, sorry, honey. Okay. Would you like some pudding?
Pudding.
Let's make it happen. All right, guys. Let's see what we have ingredients. We have sugar. As I said in previous video, we can't measure the sugar because we're gonna cover our pumpkin with the sugar. So until it's gonna covered, you need to put sugar. That's why. But we have 3 tablespoons starch, 2 cups milk, 1 cup heavy cream, half enough. So for toppings, I will use some almonds, sliced almonds, and pistachio. It's your choice. You may use something else like hazelnuts and walnuts, anything you want. So you're free for that. It depends what do you like. So exactly our main ingredients is gonna be pumpkin. I will start with the peeling and cover with the sugar that pumpkin, and is half part of the process. So let's deal with this big guy. So this is so big, so I will peel all of them. I will use for different something. I'll make patties and pudding and some more dessert. That's why I can use all of them. So if you want, you can freeze them, and whenever you want to use, just take it off. Defroze it and then use it. It doesn't matter. You can do like that. Alright guys, I'm done with the peeling. So now I'm gonna cover them with the sugar, but I'm gonna keep a couple pieces, maybe four slices like that. Why? Because I'm gonna make some patties for veggie burger. In next video I will make veggie burger with the pumpkin. And this pumpkin is delicious. My kids are eating like raw without cooking. Man, I like it. We will see it. We will see it. So, to be honest, I have never seen before like that pumpkin. I like the color. The outside was colorful, like green, orange, white, like that, and good texture. I just bought it. So. We will see what's gonna happen. So I'll keep those for my patties, and then I'll put sugar all rest of them. So let's do it. Now I don't care about pieces is good or bad. So I won't serve like dessert. So I'm gonna make them like pure. I'll smash them, all of them, and then I'll make pudding and different desserts. You remember, right? I was making I'll put like layers. I'll put 1 layer pumpkin and 1 layer sugar. I'll cover all the pumpkins with the sugar. Woohoo! Yes, yes, babe. Keep going, keep going. Make sure all the pumpkin is gonna cover with the sugar. So now sugar is not enough. I'm gonna put add a little more sugar here, and then keep going. Alright guys, as you know, we're gonna wait maybe 4 or 5 hours to release the juice, and we're gonna good to cook it. Yes, good to go. Okay, I'll close the lid and let's wait for 5 hours. Alright guys, now we are ready for to cook our pumpkin. I waited all night, so yesterday night it was like so late, so I decided to continue, and I wait until morning. So we're gonna cook it right now, and then we're gonna smash it and make a pudding. So it doesn't matter if you wait all night. The time can be long, but can't be short. You need to wait at least 4, 5, or 6 hours until you see the juice released and sugar melted, and then you can cook it. So I wait maybe 12, 13 hours, but it's okay. So let's see our pumpkin is boiling right now. Look at that. This juice is all that juice, pumpkin's own juice. So I didn't add any drip of water. All of them natural and own juice. So I will cook it right now. I'll close the lid, and we're gonna cook it and smash it. What is different is this time, as you know, in previous video we baked the scotch dessert, but now we won't, because we're gonna make it pudding, smoothie and milkshakes. That's why we're gonna smash it, and we're gonna make it pudding. Alright guys, while pumpkin's cooking, I will prepare milk and starch. Let's see how we're gonna do. So as you know, I have 3 tablespoons starch here, 2 cups milk. I will put first 1 and stir it well. And 1 heavy cream, half and half. I will wait for 2nd cup milk, and I will see how it's gonna be my pudding, and I will add little to set the thickness. Usually I'm making this mixture with sugar, milk and starch, but now I have a lot of sugar in the pumpkin. That's why I'm not gonna put sugar in my milk mixture. After our pumpkin cooked, I'm gonna smash it, and I will add into pumpkin, and I will continue to cook it. Alright guys, our pumpkin is cooked right now. It's ready. I'm gonna smash it, and then we're gonna finalize as a pudding. So in previous video You remember in squash dessert video, we put some lemon in it, but this time we're not gonna put lemon because lemon broke the milk. That's why we won't put lemon this time. If you're gonna make like plain dessert something, you should put some lemon to make the syrup little thick. Now I'll smash it and we will finalize the pudding. Look at that. It's like candy. Alright guys, after I add my milk mixture, milk, starch and half and half, 3 items. After I add it, I'll wait until boil it. After it boil it, I'll reduce my heat to the medium and then I'll cook it for 5 more minutes. Alright, I cooked like for 5 minutes. Now I will put to the cups, little cups, and then it's ready. Alright guys, our pudding is ready. So now I'll wait for cool down. I'm gonna put it into the fridge and after cool down, we can enjoy it.
Tomato.
Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Let's check it. Guys, you need to try that. It's really good.
Yes, it's delicious.
How's it?
It's delicious.
Really? You like it?
Mm-hmm.
He loved that pumpkin. You need to try, guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And enjoy your Halloween. Try Halloween pudding. Until next time, you all have a great day. Happy Halloween, guys.